Which is better for youthful, wrinkle-free skin, castor oil or hyaluronic acid? One is a century-old natural remedy while the other is a modern skincare superstar. But which one is the true anti-aging champion? Stay with me till the end as we compare these two powerful ingredients and reveal which one is you should be using. Aging is caused by multiple factors including collagen breakdown, dehydration, oxidative stress, loss of natural oils. Both castor oil and hyaluronic acid helps fight these signs of aging, but they work in very different ways. Let's break it down. Castor oil, the ancient beauty secret. Castor oil is a thick, nutrient-dense oil extracted from the castor beans. It has been used for centuries for skin, hair, and health benefits. How castor oil fights aging? Deep hydration, rich in ricinoleic acid. It locks in moisture and prevents water loss. Boosts collagen production. Castor oil contains fatty acids that improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles. It softens fine lines by deeply nourishing skin cells. Fights inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce puffiness and redness. Heals damaged skin. It has antimicrobial properties that helps repair the skin barrier. How to use castor oil for anti-aging? Apply a few drops of cold pressed castor oil to damp skin at night. Mix it with jojoba or rose hip oil for extra nourishment. Use it as an under eye treatment. Reduce fine lines. Hyaluronic acid, the modern skincare hero. Hyaluronic acid is a natural occurring molecule in the body that can hold up to 1000 times its weight in water. It's a hydration powerhouse that is widely used in skincare. How hyaluronic acid fights aging? Intense hydration pulls moisture to the skin, making it look plumpy and youthful. Reduce fine lines, fills in our wrinkles by decreasing skin volume, supports skin barrier, protects environmental damage, soothes irritation, helps with redness, inflammation, and sensitivity. How to use hyaluronic acid for anti-aging? Apply hyaluronic acid serum on damp skin to increase hydration. Follow with moisturizer to lock in moisture. Look for a low molecular weight hyaluronic acid for deeper absorption. Castor oil versus hyaluronic acid. Which one wins? You can compare this chart and just see the results. The final verdict: use both for maximum anti-aging. Castor oil is a great for deep hydration, skin repairs, and barrier protection. Hyaluronic acid is ideal for instant plumping, hydration, and reducing fine lines. For best results, use hyaluronic acid in the morning and castor oil at night for 24 hours anti-aging benefits. Skincare mistake to avoid: number 1, applying hyaluronic acid on dry skin. Always use it on damp skin for best absorption. Number 2, using too much castor oil. It's thick, so only a few drops are needed. Number 3, skipping moisturizer after hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid can evaporate if not sealed with a moisturizer. The final thought: both castor oil and hyaluronic acid are amazing anti-aging ingredients. Using them together can give you hydrated, glowing, and youthful skin naturally.